Mommy, what's your phone doing? Can I touch it? I'm gonna touch it. Honey, are you sick? And I'm sick. Okay, honey, you can rest. I don't want to. Can we get ice cream? No, honey, not because you're sick. I want ice cream. Okay, honey, we could go. Yeah. Mommy, I think I vomited on your favorite shoes. Honey, what shoes are those? Gucci. My Gucci shoes. But don't worry, I'll buy you more. Honey, do that, honey? No, what do you think? They're too expensive. You know about Gucci? Yeah, what do you think? Everybody does. Honey, what did you do to my credit card? I'm just going to the Gucci store to buy some bags. I need to return them right now. No. I need to do it right now. Oh, Mommy, look. No. Kiss me. Kiss me, Mommy. Yeah. What is this? I'm gonna go over there. Oh no, honey. That was my phone. It was recording you. I was doing it for my YouTube channel. I think I forgot to pause it. Maybe you vlog it right now. Yeah, sure.